Hello friends, this is Abhishek Agarwal here, and in this particular tutorial I'll be exploring some more features of CATIA V5 such as applying material and rendering option. So quickly let me show you how to apply material. Let's select a file from here. Let's select a body that we have already designed during our screw jack assembly. So here's the body. Now if you want to apply some particular material, you can select this particular option over here, that is apply material, and if you click on this option you will be open with a window with multiple tab over here like construction, fabrics, metal, etc. So what you need to do, you just have to drag that particular metal and apply it to a part 1. So here you can see I have applied a copper metal on this particular part. If you don't want, you can also delete it from here. So, and let's select some other part. Let's apply a steel on part 1. So yes, here we are with the steel body. So let's select apply material and OK. In this manner we have applied a material over a body. So and after this, if you want to render this particular part with a different background color or different color intensity or other light intensity, you can also do that by selecting this particular option over here, that is a Photo Studio Easy Tools. So if you select this option, you will be open with the different background. You can customize your background from this tab. You have number of backgrounds over here. So let's select a background, say warehouse 2. You can also orient your figure. You can also zoom it, zoom out. You can adjust as you want to do. You can also customize the light intensity from this part, like this much in this way. So yes, here we can do. And so if you want to capture this particular part with and store it in a JPG or other picture formats, you can also do that by using a render button over here. So it will quickly render it and it will show you a pictured format of this particular file. So yes, here we are with the rendered picture. Rendering may take some time, so after a rendering figure you can save your file at your desired place. And we can have a number of file types as these. You can select any one of them. Let's select a JPG high quality and name the file as body render and OK. So if you open that particular file, it will open in CATIA PhotoWare tool, that is this one. So yes, here we are completed with the apply material and rendering option tutorial. So keep watching my video. In case of any query, clarification or advice, you can comment below, and if you have any CAD related project which you want me to do, you can write to me at abhishek.a32@gmail.com. Till then, thank you very much.